a vision for Black River taking flight with a new airport. This is a story of transformation, ambition, and a community on the brink of a new era. The reason why the Jamaican government should spend 10% of the UK £5 billion loan on an airport in or near Black River is because the Jamaican government has declared that it intended to double the tourism industry by adding another 4 million visitors each year to Jamaica. The extra 4 million visitors should be dispersed to the four corners of Jamaica. For example, 1 million visitors each in St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, St. Thomas, and Portland, Jamaica, the land of reggae, jerk chicken, and breathtaking beauty. A place where the rhythm of life is as vibrant as the colors of its landscape. From the bustling street markets filled with the aroma of spices and fresh produce, to the serene beaches where the turquoise waters kiss the golden sands, Jamaica is a sensory delight. But beneath the surface of this Caribbean paradise lies a story of untapped potential, particularly in the charming town of Black River. Nestled on the southwestern coast, Black River is a town rich in history and natural beauty, yet it remains one of Jamaica's best-kept secrets. Its lush landscapes and tranquil rivers are a testament to the island's unspoiled charm. Imagine this, a modern, efficient airport gracing the landscape, opening up this hidden gem to the world. This new airport isn't just a gateway, it's a symbol of progress and connectivity. It represents a bridge between Black River and the global community, making it easier for travelers to discover the town's unique offerings. This isn't just a flight of fancy, it's a strategic investment, a £500 million injection from the UK's £5 billion loan that promises to transform Black River and the entire nation. This substantial financial commitment underscores the confidence in Jamaica's potential and the belief that Black River can become a pivotal hub for tourism and commerce. This is about more than just tourism. It's about empowering communities, creating jobs, and securing a brighter future for Jamaica. The new airport will serve as a catalyst for economic growth, providing opportunities for local businesses to thrive and for residents to find meaningful employment. It's about fostering a sense of pride and ownership within the community, ensuring that the benefits of development are felt by all. It's about time Black River took its rightful place on the world stage. With its rich cultural heritage, stunning natural beauty, and now enhanced accessibility, Black River is poised to become a destination of choice for travelers from around the globe. This new airport is not just an infrastructure project, it's a beacon of hope and a testament to what can be achieved when vision meets action. Doubling down on tourism, a bold vision for Jamaica's future. Jamaica has long been a beacon for travelers seeking sun, sand, and vibrant culture. But the government has an even grander vision to double tourism, attracting an additional 4 million visitors annually. This ambitious goal demands bold action. It requires thinking beyond traditional tourist hotspots and diversifying the tourism landscape. This is where Black River, with its rich history, natural wonders, and authentic Jamaican charm, comes into play. An airport acts as the crucial gateway, enabling this influx of tourists and propelling Jamaica towards its ambitious tourism goals. Black River untapped potential, hampered by accessibility. Black River is a treasure trove of natural beauty and cultural heritage. Nestled on the southwestern coast of Jamaica, this region is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Its lush landscapes, vibrant culture, and rich history make it a destination like no other. The Black River area is home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, offering visitors a chance to connect with nature in its purest form. The local markets are bustling with life, showcasing the unique crafts and flavors of Jamaica. It's a place where tradition meets natural splendor. From its famed Black River Safari to the YS Falls, the region offers a unique blend of adventure and tranquility. The Black River Safari takes you on a journey through the longest navigable river in Jamaica, where you can witness crocodiles basking in the sun and a variety of bird species in their natural habitat. YS Falls, on the other hand, is a serene escape with cascading waterfalls and natural pools perfect for a refreshing dip. These attractions provide a perfect balance of excitement and relaxation, catering to all types of travelers. The region offers a unique blend of adventure and tranquility. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie looking for your next thrill or someone seeking a peaceful retreat, Black River has something for everyone. The safari tours are not just about the wildlife. They also offer a glimpse into the local way of life. with guides sharing stories and legends of the area. At YS Falls, you can spend the day lounging by the water, exploring the lush gardens, or even ziplining for an added rush of excitement. Yet, it remains frustratingly difficult to reach. Despite its many attractions, Black River is not easily accessible. The nearest major cities, Montego Bay and Kingston, are hours away by road. The journey involves navigating through winding, often poorly maintained roads, which can be a daunting task for even the most seasoned travelers. This lack of infrastructure is a significant barrier, preventing many from experiencing the wonders of Black River. Tourists face long, arduous journeys from Montego Bay or Kingston, often losing precious holiday time navigating Jamaica's winding roads. The drive, while scenic, can be exhausting and time-consuming. Many tourists find themselves spending more time on the road than actually enjoying their vacation. This not only affects their overall experience, but also limits the number of visitors willing to make the trip. The current state of the roads and the distance from major hubs are significant deterrents, often losing precious holiday time navigating Jamaica's winding roads. The frustration of getting lost or dealing with unexpected road conditions can take a toll on travelers. Many end up feeling that the effort required to reach Black River outweighs the potential rewards. This sentiment is echoed by numerous tourists who have visited the area, with many expressing a desire for more straightforward access. The current travel challenges are a major hindrance to the region's tourism potential. This logistical hurdle discourages many potential visitors, hindering Black River's economic growth. The local economy, which relies heavily on tourism, suffers as a result. Businesses in the area, from hotels to restaurants to tour operators, all feel the impact of the limited visitor numbers. The potential for economic development is immense, but it remains untapped due to the accessibility issues. Local entrepreneurs and communities are eager for change, knowing that improved access could transform their livelihoods, hindering Black River's economic growth. The region has so much to offer, yet its full potential remains unrealized. The economic benefits of increased tourism would be far-reaching, providing jobs, boosting local businesses, and fostering community development. However, without addressing the accessibility issues, these opportunities remain out of reach. The current situation is a classic case of untapped potential, where the natural and cultural riches of Black River are not being fully leveraged. A strategically located airport would slash travel times, making Black River more accessible to both domestic and international tourists. The introduction of a regional airport could be a game-changer, significantly reducing the travel time and making the region more attractive to visitors. This would not only benefit tourists, but also open up new opportunities for business and investment in the area. The construction of an airport would be a significant step towards unlocking Black River's potential, attracting tourists and investors alike. With improved accessibility, Black River could see a surge in visitor numbers, leading to increased revenue for local businesses and greater economic stability for the region. Investors would also be more likely to consider Black River as a viable location for new ventures, further boosting the local economy. The ripple effects of such development would be felt across the community, improving the quality of life for residents and creating a more vibrant, thriving region. This increased accessibility will be the game-changer Black River desperately needs. By addressing the current travel challenges, Black River can unlock its full potential and become a premier destination in Jamaica. The natural beauty, cultural richness, and adventure opportunities are already there. All that's needed is the infrastructure to support and sustain growth. With the right investments and strategic planning, Black River can transform from a hidden gem into a must-visit location, benefiting both visitors and locals alike. Some argue that Jamaica, a relatively small island nation, doesn't need another airport at this time. But let's look at Singapore, a country with a landmass smaller than New York City, yet boasting two world-class international airports, Changi and Seletar. These airports haven't crippled Singapore. They've catapulted it into a global economic powerhouse, setting a remarkable example. They've facilitated trade, tourism, and foreign investment, demonstrating that strategic infrastructure investments can yield remarkable returns. Jamaica can learn from Singapore's success and apply similar strategies. A new airport in Black River is not extravagant. It's a strategic investment mirroring the vision of successful nations worldwide. Black River's history is deeply entwined with Jamaica's colonial past. This town, with its rich tapestry of stories, has seen the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of fortunes. From the days when it was a bustling port, teeming with ships and sailors, to the quieter times that followed, Black River has always been a place of significance. The colonial architecture that still stands today is a testament to its storied past, each building whispering tales of yesteryears. Once a bustling port town fueled by the sugar trade, it now seeks a new economic engine. The sugar plantations that once stretched as far as the eye could see are now relics of a bygone era. The townscape, with its blend of old and new, reflects a community at a crossroads, looking to the future while honoring its past. The challenge now is to find a sustainable path forward, one that leverages its unique heritage and natural beauty. Tourism, with its potential for job creation and community development, holds the key. Imagine bustling hotels, thriving restaurants, and vibrant craft markets, all fueled by the influx of visitors drawn by the ease of air travel. Tourists exploring the local culture, savoring the flavors of Jamaican cuisine, and purchasing handcrafted souvenirs. This vision of a thriving tourism industry isn't just a dream, it's a tangible goal that can transform Black River into a vibrant destination. And vibrant craft markets, all fueled by the influx of visitors drawn by the ease of air travel. The local craft markets, bustling with activity, showcase the creativity and craftsmanship of Jamaican artisans. Tourists arriving at the airport, eager to experience the warmth and hospitality of Black River, bring with them the promise of economic growth. The local culture, rich and diverse, offers a unique experience that keeps visitors coming back. This isn't just about boosting GDP, it's about revitalizing a community, offering opportunities for locals to build better lives. Community development projects are already underway, focusing on education, healthcare, and infrastructure. Local artisans, with their skills and creativity, are finding new markets for their products. People are working together, driven by a shared vision of a prosperous and inclusive future. The benefits of tourism extend beyond economic gains. They foster a sense of pride and belonging among the residents. An airport isn't just about concrete and steel, it's about building a brighter future for the people of Black River. The construction of a modern airport is a symbol of progress, a gateway to new opportunities. It represents a commitment to the future, a belief in the potential of this community. As planes take off and land, they bring with them the promise of a better tomorrow. For the people of Black River, this is more than just infrastructure. It's a beacon of hope, a testament to their resilience and determination. For too long, Jamaica's tourism industry has been concentrated in a few select areas. This lopsided development has left many communities, like Black River, on the sidelines of economic progress. Jamaica needs to learn from past mistakes and adopt a more equitable approach to tourism development. This means investing in infrastructure that opens up new areas, disperses tourists more evenly, and shares the economic benefits more widely. A new airport in Black River is not just a transportation project. It's a commitment to inclusive growth, ensuring that all Jamaicans benefit from their nation's tourism success. The impact of a new airport in Black River extends far beyond the runway. It's about creating a ripple effect of positive change that will transform Jamaica's economic and social landscape. Increased tourism means more jobs, not just in hospitality, but also in construction, transportation, and other sectors. This economic empowerment can lead to a decrease in crime rates, as people find hope and opportunity in their own communities. This is an investment in Jamaica's future, a future where economic prosperity and social progress go hand in hand. This is the legacy Black River deserves.